Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking time out of your precious day. I have another budget-friendly stash from stash that I have not shown on my channel before, and I do hope that you enjoy it. So I think we're going to kind of just jump right in there and see what I have, if that's okay with you. All right. So you guys, I think all these are pretty well 30 by 40s, and they're all round drills as far as I can tell. If they are not round, I will let you know. Oh, this is cute. So it comes just your typical toolkit here. Drills on the silver tray. I'm going to give this a little roll back. This is cute. This is really cute. I don't know what he's holding in his hand though. I'm going to have to figure this out. Okay. What's he got? What's he holding? I don't know, but it looks like he's on a sled. There's a tree behind him. There's a little bird. I'm not really sure. This one has 24 colors, all uppercase letters in random order. Little bunny, it's a winter scene. He's got on his little scarf and his little overalls. It looks like he's sitting on a sled. Maybe he has a hot frothy coffee, maybe? I'm not sure. But it's cute. The little bunny face is adorable. And I am not center screen by any means. Let's see what the drill field looks like. There it is. Pretty clear. Might use a light board. There are some dark areas. Alright. Let's come back out. And let's look at these drills. It looks like the drills are going to match up to the diamond painting pretty well. There's that bright blue there. I think it's a little in shadow. And there's some greens. Reds. Let's see. And there's a side view. The yellows. Whites. So yeah, that is quite cute. Quite cute. All right. Let's see what we have next. Alrighty. This one is a 30 by 30. 30 by 30. And this is Pooh sitting up in some clouds here. It looks a little pixelated, but I will tell you, there are guide circles over this entire canvas. There's 22 colors in this little 30 by 30. It's a lot of colors. And the colors do come on the silver tray. He is a little pixelated. Let's see how far we can go out with this. It doesn't help, does it? Nope. Well, you are going to see. There are guide circles over this entire canvas, and that is what makes it look so pixelated. So once the drills get laid on this, it won't look as pixelated. Yeah. He's cute. We love us some Winnie the Pooh. And here are the colors. Look at the brightness of those colors, guys. Yep, it'll be bright. It's going to bring this out. Yeah, it's going to brighten this one up quite a bit, I would say. So that one is very cute. What do we got here? I'm not sure. Let's bring this back out. Alright. Now this one is a 30 by 40 or a 40 by 30. Wow, this one has 25 colors. Oh, let's get it up in the zip top baggies. I like that. Let me show you this one. And for those of you who do not know, I love trains, especially steam engines. So this one, like I said, 25 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 9. And 10 through 25 are uppercase letters in alpha order. It's got a lot of blue in it. It's going to be really pretty, I think. And I think it's going to come out. I don't think the number on the front of the train will come out here. This is number 33. No, I don't think so. But that is, I love trains. So let's come down and look at the drill field. There are guide circles in here, as you can tell. Let's move over. So it's very clear. Drill field's very, very clear. And then look at the colors. pre-kitted up in zip top bags. Very nice. I really like that. It's really, really pretty. See, I don't know, there's 2 moons here, it looks like. A lot of steam going on. It must, and I'm not sure. That's not, I don't know. That's all steam down there. Maybe there's some snow. Looks like a winter sky to me. Okay. And we'll do one more. Oh, okay. One more. And yes, I am batch recording today, guys. This is another 30 by 40. Girls come in the silver train. Ooh. Pretty winter scene. This one has 23 colors, and it is all uppercase letters in random order. You guys, the toolkits in here, I probably haven't been showing you, but they're just the typical toolkits. That is pretty. Along a waterway of some kind, maybe a creek in the mountains. That's what it reminds me of. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? The snow and the ice and the trees. It's really pretty. Yes, I got a mess on this table. Really, really pretty. Drill field is very, I mean, it's pretty clear. I would probably use a light board just because there are some dark areas here. And you can see there are some light guide circles in this. But yeah, there's some darker areas in that. Let's back out. Have a look at the drills. So they're going to be in the grays, greens, and whites. See the green there. Sorry, I see that. Yeah. That is your color palette for this one. So guys, thank you so very, very much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. Remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others even when they're not kind to you. You never know what they're going through. Give someone a smile or a kind word. You never know what a difference you'll make to that person. God bless each and every one of you. Till next time, I'll see you. Bye now.